children, welcome to today's interactive class. Today we are going to discuss assignment of chapter Our National Heritage or Cycle 9. Yesterday you got assignment along with your homework. I hope all of you have downloaded the assignment and at least read that. And some of the answers, some of the questions are very easy. You must have done something or you must have started on something. Let's discuss on the assignment. Be ready with your EVS notebook and your pen. The first question in your assignment is identify and name the given monument and know significance of each of them. Along with the picture, you have to identify it. Along with the picture, the significance, the importance of each monument is given. Let's start. Dash. First one. All of you can identify it from its picture. It is Pride of India, India Gate. Its importance is it's a war memorial designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens located in New Delhi. It's a memorial to 70,000 soldiers of the British Indian Army. Read the word again, British Indian Army. When India was under British rule, the Indian Army, it was that part of the British government. That is British Indian Army. That was Indian Army, but it was sent to First World War from the British rule. So 70,000 soldiers died there in the World War I, and this is the war memorial dedicated to them. And there is one Amar Jawan Jyoti, that's a lamp, or it's not that oil kind of lamp, it's being fueled by some petro products. So that lamp is for all the soldiers who died in different wars, different time, different wars. It is India Gate. Second, it's an Ark Monument built during the 20th century to commemorate visit of King George V and Queen Mary in Mumbai. It is, we have already done this thing, Gateway of India. I hope you are writing answers sidewise. Third, it's an observatory and collection of architectural astronomical instruments built by Maharaja Jai Singh II at Jaipur. It's an observatory from where people observe location of stars, constellation and other planets in the sky. And it's equipped with different astronomical instrument. It is, any guesses? It starts with J. Jantar Mantar. J-A-N-T-A-R Jantar, M-A-N-T-A-R Mantar. Fourth one, it's a step well famous for its size and sculptures. In Gujarat, also known as Queen's Stepwell, it has more than 500 sculptures of God. It is 64 meter long, 20 meter wide and 27 meter deep. Stepwells are very unique to India. They were the ancient ways to conserve water. As we know, water is very precious. We must conserve and use its each and every drop wisely. For conservation of water, and especially in the dry states of Rajasthan and Gujarat, the step wells or the Bawli, its Hindi name is also Bawli, it was made to store water and further it was used. It's a step well, but it's very artistic. It is Queen Stepwell, that we also call Rani Ki Vav. R-A-N-I Rani Ki Vav. I hope you're writing answers. Question number 2. Write the full form of the following. We have already done full form of these two organizations. UNESCO, ASI. UNESCO stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. And ASI stands for Archaeological Survey of India. I hope you are writing answers sidewise. What's the spelling of archaeological? You have already done this question. and you've already done spelling of archaeological. ARCHAEOLOGICAL, archaeological. Now we come to question number 3. Here 2 options are given for each part. Each question you have to choose the correct option. Meenakshi temple or golden temple is dedicated to goddess Parvati and Lord Shiva. Which one is correct? You just write the correct option in your notebook. It is Meenakshi temple. Kantha or chikankari is the traditional embroidery work done in West Bengal. It is Kantha. We have discussed different type of heritage, the weaving, the painting, the dyeing techniques. All these are also the heritage of India. Kantha and chikankari, these are 2 type of embroideries. Kantha is done in West Bengal and chikankari is popular art from Uttar Pradesh. Fulkari, mandana art, is traditional art of Punjab and Haryana. It is Fulkari. Fulkari got the word from fool or the flower. It's a kind of embroidery. You can see it's dupattas, saris. It's a popular art of Haryana and Punjab. Here the answers of A, Meenakshi temple, answer of B, Kantha, answer of C, Fulkari. Now we come to D part. Air pollution is the major reason for beautification or damage of our monuments. We burn different kind of fuels. Industries use different kind of fuel. We have vehicles in which we use different kind of fuel. They all give smoke. That smoke is full of pollutants and particles which cause damage to quality of air, and further it causes damage to human, to plants as well as to monuments. So what will be the answer here? Air pollution is one of the major reason for damage of our monuments. The Taj turned yellow due to air pollution. Qutub Minar or Char Minar is multi-storied minaret in Delhi. This is Qutub Minar. Char Minar is in Hyderabad. St. Cathedral is a church or fort in Asia built by Portuguese in Goa. Is this a church or a fort? This is a church. M.F. Hussain, Raja Ravi Verma, was a famous painter uniting Indian and British painting styles. They both are well-renowned painters of India, and Raja Ravi Verma, he was famous painter. He united both the styles of painting, Indian and British style. So the answer is Raja Ravi Verma. Next part. Let's understand the diversity of India. Identify and name the pictures of various dance forms of India. You have many questions in this question. First is you have to identify the pictures of various dance forms of India. Then we have a table that we have to fill. Here A, B, C, D, 4 pictures are here and they are in the same sequence in your assignment also. Picture A is Bharatnatyam. Picture B, Odissi. Picture C, Kathak, and D is Bhangra. Again I am telling the answers. Picture A, Bharatnatyam. B, Odissi. C, Kathak. D, Bhangra. I hope you are writing the answers. Now we come to this table. Here we have to complete the table. You children can draw such table in your EVS notebook. It's easy to draw. You just draw it with pencil only. Don't use scale. It will take some time. Here states are mentioned and we have to mention language, painting or art style, dance, and one popular heritage site of each. Might be I am telling some site. You could have written some other site, or if other site you have written, that's also fine. Uttar Pradesh, language Hindi. Art or painting, hand painting. dance. We have just done C part here. Above this dance, what is the picture of dance here? Kathak. That's the dance form of Uttar Pradesh. Heritage site, we'll try to write the most popular one. Here we are writing one of the 7 wonders of the world, Taj Mahal. Again I'm telling the answer. Language, Hindi. Art or painting style, hand printing. Dance, Kathak. Heritage site, Taj Mahal. Tamil Nadu, language, Tamil. It's a classical language of India as well as the oldest language of India. Painting style, Tanjavur paintings. Dance, what's shown in the first picture, Bharatnatyam, and the popular site is Brideshwara temple. The picture was shown to you in yesterday's video, Brideshwara temple, Tanjavur. Again, I'm repeating the answer. Tamil Nadu language, Tamil. Art or painting style, Tanjavur paintings. Dance, Bharatnatyam. Heritage site, Brideshwara temple. Assam languages, Assami. Haryana languages, Haryanvi. Art or painting, Fulkari. Dance, the folk dance of Haryana is Nach. It's called Nach. Heritage sites of Haryana, you can write the remains of war at Panipat as well as Kurukshetra. There the fight of Kauravas and Pandavas at the time of Mahabharata, it was there. So you can also write Kurukshetra. Punjab, languages, Punjabi. Art or painting style, Fulkari. Dance, Bhangra or Gidda. You can write any. And the heritage site, it's also done, we have done it yesterday, a shrine, Golden Temple or Sri Harmandir Sahib. You can write Golden Temple. Next is Kerala, the language is Malayalam. Art or painting style are mural paintings. Dance, Kathakali, and heritage site, Sri Vallabha temple. You can write any. I hope you have done this part. Answer key will be shared soon. If something is missed on, you can do. Next is who am I? Rearrange the letters and form the words. First one, I'm a stringed instrument, stringed musical instrument, OESDR. It becomes Sarod, SAROD. It's very unique instrument to India. A folk dance of Rajasthan, OOAMHRG. It is Ghumar, GHOOMAR. A pillar adapted in national emblem. In your class 3 and 4, you have done about national emblem or national symbols. NAHTSAR. The national emblem you can see on the pictures, as picture on your notes, currency coins. This is Sarnath, SARNATH, a famous painting of Bihar. NIMADUHBA. It is Madhubani. MADHUBANI. A famous sitar maestro. It is Ravi Shankar. Now we move to next part, give reason. Heritage buildings should be preserved. Heritage building or the monuments are built by our ancestors and they show the culture of our past, which includes sculptures, painting and art and craft style. Heritage buildings are the legacy of past passed on to future generation. So they must be preserved. They are reflection of art, craft and culture of that time period they were built. So they must be preserved. Hawa Mahal is also called Palace of Breeze. In yesterday's monument video, you have seen the picture of Hawa Mahal. It is in Jaipur. It was built by Maharaja Savai Pratap It has 953 small windows called jharokhas. These jharokhas allow cool breeze to circulate even in hot summer month. This keeps the palace cool and it got its name Palace of Winds or Palace of Breeze. Answer key will be shared soon, so you can write on if you have missed on anything. Now we move to this some knowledge part. Did you know 18th April is celebrated as World Heritage Day every year. Mathura is called City of Temples and Madurai is known as City of Festivals. Mastery of Indian metal casting can be seen in the iron pillar at Qutub Minar, and it has remained smooth and it has not rusted from centuries. In one of the video in the class, we have shown that about Qutub Minar. We have also shown that iron pillar in the Qutub Minar complex. We are talking about that Qutub Minar, iron in Qutub Minar complex. Kabir Das, he grew up in a Muslim family, but his writing influenced Hinduism Bhakti movement. It's about unity in India. Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore has set up Shanti Niketan, which is a university in West Bengal. Odissi is the oldest dance form of India. In our chapter, we have done about many classical dances of India, and Odissi is the oldest dance form of India, and Tamil is the oldest language in India. So it got the status of classical language. National flag is hoisted at Red Fort on Independence Day. Independence Day, 15th of August, which was built by Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan was a Mughal emperor. That's all for today. Answer key will be shared soon and you can match on all the spellings.